Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a few magic tricks of mine today. Oh, and also, pick a hand. Well, you'd be wrong, because it's this hand. But what's in this hand, you might be asking? Well, nothing is, but abracadabra. Whoosh. Also, if you want to know, you can actually also make it float. Very nice, right? Also, I'll teach you how to do it. For the magic wand like popping up, you just have to hold the bottom, and you just do this, right? You just spin it around, and then when you can't see the words, like it's full black here, then you push it down and you'll be able to do it. Also, the magic wand fingering thing, the floating thing, you just have to open it up and then put it in, and then make float. A really huge thanks for Bumbling Bert. You should go to his website, www.bumblingbert.com. It's really cool.